Hello! Today I'm going to demonstrate how to change your laundry ladder from right-hand operation to left-hand operation. All laundry ladders come pre-strung to operate on the right-hand side. This demonstration will show you how to rethread the cord and the hook to operate it on the left. The back frame is the lower frame. Lean that against a solid surface or yourself. Moving across to the left here, loosen the cord and undo the knot. The holes on the sides are all labelled up in our instructions, so we're going to pull this through B2 and then B1, going to the back, pulling it through A1 and A2. Across to C1, remove the cord, from the hook, and then take the cord back through C1, through A1, pulling the cord all the way through. Now attach the hook again. Take the cord through A2, through B1, and finally through B2. Do a double knot, that's recommended, and pull the cord nice and tight. Find your hook and pull it to the middle of the cord, and now your laundry ladder is threaded on the left hand side. Don't forget to attach your spindle, which you'll find in your fittings box. It goes on the back frame in the pre-drilled hole. Now your laundry ladder is ready for use.